Today, almost all the groceries is wrapped using the plastic bag. Did you know that Malaysia has produced more than 3 million tons of solid waste, and a part of them is waste of plastic bag? The plastic decay process takes about 10 to 400 years to dispose completely. Meanwhile, it will cause the carbon pollution and destroy the environment.
We are the SMK Sibu Jaya Innovation Team. We would like to present our innovation product, Medkit.
There are two problems our team was able to identify. First, inadequate first aid kit were provided by the school. This matter has been raised in a series of meetings with school administrators by PBSM and advisory teachers to provide adequate first aid kits. The second problem is our team has realized that the teachers and students love to use and keep unused plastic bottle containers. It's become a problem when the store plastic bottles are not used. So, it gave our team the idea to provide first aid kit based on recycled materials. Our team met with our innovation mentors to present this idea and make this idea come true. Our name of the invention is called Medkit.
There are 5 main objectives that we highlight in this innovation. First, to enhance the existing emergency kit design by introducing the latest design that can be used by all users. Second, to solve the first aid kit's physical problems such as ways to carry, weight, size, and ways to use it. Third, to design alternative requirements that can solve the problem faced by the teachers and students in school and also to the community. Fourth, to apply the elements of STEM, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics in the innovation of Medkit. Last but not least, to apply the 3R, reuse, recycle, and reduce concept in order to decrease the amount of plastic wastage in our country and also in the world.
The novelty and uniqueness of Medkit's innovation can be seen in 3 aspects. The first aspect is seen in terms of the interior design of this innovation. The interior design of this innovation has been made improvements from previous designs, namely Medkit version 1.0 and Medkit version 2.0. The latest interior design has 3 storage compartments compared to the previous 2 storage compartments.
The second aspect of this innovation is in terms of durability. Compared to 2 previous versions, the internal storage space is made of hard cardboard. However, some drawbacks had been identified with the hard cardboard is not durable, especially when exposed to water or managed liquids such as Rether. The storage space was quickly damaged and had to be rebuilt. Several discussions has been conducted and improvement had been made by replacing the material with the quality acid PLA. PLA is a biodegradable and nature-friendly. PLA is also durable and strong. Therefore, the storage space is designed and printed using a 3D printer. This 3D technology is also used in line with the Industrial Revolution IR 4.0, which applies industrial application in this innovation in addition to retaining recycled element. The third aspect is the latest invention in this innovation. It is the use of QR codes to access the user Medkit. The use of QR code by Medkit users is in accordance with the current global technology circulation, where it is easily accessible by simply scanning the QR code, and then user can find the Medkit usage guide. In addition, the use of these QR codes can have the use of paper or printed materials. This is in line with the government aspiration in reducing the use of paper and also saving the environment.
This Medkit innovation has helped the school as well as the local community in a number of ways, especially in teaching and learning in school. In health education in school, teachers can use this Medkit as a teaching aid in the topic of first aid, in addition to applying aspects of healthcare among students. In science and technology, teachers can explain about the various innovations that can be made and apply towards the Industrial Revolution IR 4.0, in addition to applying the elements of environmental healthcare.
At the community level, users, especially households, can learn first aid knowledge because this Medkit has a digital guide that can be accessed from the QR code on Medkit level. Consumers can also be directly involved in the handicraft industry. This is because these Medkits are made from waste materials. So, this also indirectly can protect the environment and reduce the disposal of plastic bottles in the local community.
In preparing this medkit innovation toward commercialization, the school, together with the creator and the owner of this idea, has applied for a corporate patent from Intellectual Property Corporation of Malaysia, (MyIPO). This application is very important to protect the name and copyright of this product. In addition, this product has also been selected by MyIPO to be taken to the next level, which is given an industrial design patent ID. With these two certificates of recognition, medkit product is ready to be commercialized at the industry level.
That's all from us. We hope that this medkit product will continue to get recognition not only at the school level or at the community level, but at a higher level in the world of discovery and innovation. We also hope that this innovation will continue to remain relevant and in turn to be able to solve the problem associated with this medkit.
Thank you. Protect yourself, protect everyone. Stay home, stay safe.